Hi Carla, this is one of the box for the defectives. This has got 12 toners which are defectives actually, and can we go through the process of checking? I wrote on each and every box which are not working actually. My employee is opening the box actually. Let us test some of the samples from here. This is MLT10512, which is from the recent stock. She is opening the box, and this is one of the machine that I am using for Samsung 105, and most of my customers in this country are using the SCX4623 machine for Samsung 105. Hope you identify the machine. This is SCX4623. Okay, so let's start the procedure of checking the toner. This is one of the toner which is opened from the box, and you can see the plastic which has not opened yet from this toner, but hope you know that we can still check the way it is. We didn't pull the plastic strip out, so you can see that we are installing the toner into the machine. Same toner. Yes, this is your toner. You can check the tracking number from the recent stock. If it is not clear, I can email you the tracking numbers, all of them, once I am done with the checking of every toner. She is installing the toner, and we have installed the toner. It is reading, it's warming up. You can see the green light. It's saying warming up, and then it gives a red light saying install toner. Install toner. This is the error that we are getting for most of the toners. It looks like few of them are working, but once I am done with the checking of every toner, then I will give you the list of the total defective toners which are in maximum number, and we try to check another one as well from the same box that I brought. In fact, all the toners in this box are giving the same error, install toner. Yeah, this is another toner which I am going to check. We have not opened the plastic yet from this also. You can see we didn't pull the plastic, but we are trying to put it inside. Yeah, we close the cover. Yeah, it's saying warming up. Yeah, it's a ready to fax, and immediately it gives an error, install toner. If I try to make a copy, say copy and then start, it gives same error, toner not available. Ready to copy, again it says install toner. This is the error that I am getting. Please try to work on this and resolve this problem. All I want is not replacement. I kindly want you to find a solution for this. Thank you very much. Bye.